door, waited for the flash. Greyhound station, paid in cash. As Lazarus, we're coming back. They say it's darkest before the dawn. We've been in this town for far too long. They say it's darkest before the dawn. We're moving on, we're moving on, we're moving on. Sunsets, no regrets. First chance, last dance, stuck in the middle, even that.
Ladies.
You taste so sweet, it hurts a little. Make our home where we stand. One suitcase and half a plan. Follow the wolves and sing along. Pass the voices to the song. They say it's darkest before the dawn. We've been in this town for far too long. They say it's darkest before the dawn. We're moving on, we're moving on, we're moving on. Sunsets, no regrets. First chance, last dance, stuck in the middle, even that guy's no good enough. You taste so sweet, it hurts a little. I fell in love with the feeling, didn't fall in love with you. It was a song I was singing, it wasn't meant for you. I'm sorry that I can't stay, and I'm sorry we're like years away.
I bite your lip, and you taste like summertime. I can't forget the days when you were mine.
Ladies.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Oh god, I'm knocking shit over. Hi, everybody. Hi. Happy Wednesday, everybody. How are we? What's the tea? Are y'all doing good today? So I asked Benji earlier if he would play Phasma with me tonight, and he said absolutely, absolutely not. But then that changed, so we're gonna play together. Woohoo! So Benji might join the second game. I'm not sure. We'll see when things get started.
Ladies.
Hi, Raheen. How are you? Happy Wednesday. And thank you all for the happy 300 wish. I am so sad that my internet died yesterday during stream because I fully would have gotten to 300 while I was live. But oh well. Hi, Mr. Light. Go lay down. So I can show everybody your beautiful smiling face. Hi Jay. I'm sorry you didn't get here first, but I'm glad you walked Rufus before my stream. And of course I was running slightly late again. It's because I keep working on my stream, okay? So sue me. But congrats, Unicorn, for getting here first. Hi, Unicorn. Hi, P-Dids. I hope your stream is going well. Congrats for 300. Thank you. We're so close to the weekend, Raheen. And also, now that I'm live, I can set the new goal. So what do you all think? Should I set it for 400? Or should it be... I kind of think 400, right? It's so exciting. I never thought I would get to motherfucking 300. My first thought was 400, Zach. 350, I think, isn't ambitious enough. How about that? We're feeling ambitious. Oh my goodness. How dare they? Okay. Bam. You would go up by 50s until 500, but I didn't go up from, I didn't have a goal for 250. Or did I? Am I just like forgetting? Oh well. I think we can do it. I do. I really do. That isn't my problem. Oh my god. You're so funny. Oh, whoops. We're at 300. Ew, I really have to go in like that. I hope y'all are having a good week. It's been a kind of like a weird week for me. It's been kind of like up, it's been kind of down. It's been all around. Bum, 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 bum. And so we are here to play some Phasmo. And like I said, I think Benji will be joining us tonight. But maybe that'll be for the second game. We do not know. It's after he gets his dinner, which I can fully sympathize with. Because ladies, I like to be sustenized before I go ghost hunting. I don't know about you. Raheen, me, and P-Dids were like waiting for Witchlink to go live already. So was Jay. That makes me so that makes me so happy. Y'all are so sweet. Just waiting on your dang wings. Oh. Well, don't think I'm like stalling for you. I'm slowly changing my follower goals. Because I forgot that you have to manually change it for every single scene I have. And I played Phasmo the other night, and it did not go well. I was like, damn, am I this rusty already? And I'm like, maybe I just need to slow down. I think I'm rushing with my ghosts. I try to get them to do the stuff that I want, and then suddenly they're on my AS. And I'm like, well, this will be a good hiding place. And it's literally like next to a piano. So, let's see. Okay. I don't know what it's like for y'all, but this music is like overwhelming me for some reason. Um. Raheen, have you been playing any DBD lately? Have you been having good games? Or have you just kind of been chilling, watching streams today? I hope the games are going well on DBD. Something inside of me just did not feel up for DBD. Also, y'all have to let me know what it's like having me on the other side today. T'other side. Because I know that's different. But I couldn't think of where to put myself for Phasmo. But I didn't like where I was because I didn't like where I was because what was I saying? Oh god, I am not here today. Is today the last day for Chaos? I could not tell you. Let me see. Bum, 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 bum. I have no idea. When the heck does it end? I don't know. Oh well. Excuse me, I readied up. Thank you. It says from May 16th through the 23rd. So, does that mean tomorrow's the last day? Or is today the last day? It could be either. You never know with DBD. They're like, we're going to turn it off at 11 a.m. And it's like, why? Why would you do such things? Y'all, every time something touches me, I think it's a wasp. The computer be struggling. So if your stream is kind of like choppy right now, it's not you, it's me. It's part of the fun, you know what I mean? Thanks for the lurk, P Diz. I hope your stream is doing well, my sweet. Violence? That's not good. Interesting. You set it to amateur and then they make it so there's freaking violence. Oh, that's in the garage. Okay. Oh, frick. It's always a freaking thunderstorm when I'm doing ghost shit. Oh, I don't need to do that. Yay, it's on. Yay, amateur. Also, I love that they don't always say there's rumors of violence because it's like you can die in every single game of Phasmo. Like, hello. The ghost is always looking for blood. Shoes. Oh, I did that on me. Ooh, music box. Excuse you. Oh, I see how it is. Thank you for the lurk, Jay. Also, I'm so sorry you didn't get here first. I fully did see your messages. This is an act of violence, okay? I just got here. It has not been the 5-minute grace period, ma'am. Keep these open just in case I need a place to hide. Place to hide. Place to hide. Also, Jay, did you hear the other stream that the Pokemon command has been updated? He did, so you're making me want to play Phasmo? I'm not sorry about it. Me and Benji are gonna play if you want to join us. God damn it! I always click the wrong button. Oh well, I'll still get points for getting it. Please don't be a basement ghost. Okay, it doesn't seem like a basement ghost. Good, good. Which command was updated? The catch command, the Pokemon one. So now there's a possibility to get shiny, and also it will now, you can now keep track of what Pokemon you catch. Oh, it's going up. Hot as hell in this room. Damn, I wonder if it's a living room ghost. Oh, girls.
Ladies.
It's a living room ghost. I'm gonna put this down. Meow. Okay, what do I have to do? Prevent the ghost, crucifix, blow out a ghost. Blow out a ghost, oh my god. I didn't say anything of the sort. What are you talking about? Okay, we'll get the crucifix because they said they were violent. We don't need no violence from this ghost. And I made the Pokemon command myself because I'm cool. I don't like that. I want to be able to see it. It's about 32. And so if you want to check the Pokemon that you catch, it will actually DM you. Can this ghost not? It's the second time you've turned off the power. That's not very nice. But you do the command exclamation my Pokemon with no space. But you have to be able to receive DMs on Twitch. Motion sensor. I'll do this. A Rattata? How classic. Can I put this on the couch? Oh, I love it. Wait, maybe it doesn't work. Oh, there we go, okay. Is that all I brought? The ghost was already detected, y'all. I don't like that. Ah! Leave me alone! Oh my god! Why? What? Like, was that not a hunt? Like, it came right from my ass. I took an EMF reader. It's right here. Oh, it's a doggy. Salt. Ooh, yeah, I could put down some salt. I'm busy being scared. Okay. Yeah, I don't think that was a hunt. I think I just... It felt like a hunt in my heart. I like when the ghost stands still. I don't like when the ghost, like, you know, is moving around all the time and it's not a hunt. His name is Russell. Well, their name is Russell. We're not going to assume. Oh, God. I just was in here and the lights were on. Oh. Oh, I don't like that. This ghost is very active. Ah! As soon as I say it's active, are you kidding me? Oh my god. Can you stop being active for 5 seconds? EMF 5, bitches! Dude, this one? Let me do this one. It's freaking out. Whew. Okay. I guess we try to talk to them. What was it? Russell. Russell, say something. How old are you, Russell? How old are you? How old are you? How old were you when you died? How old is the victim? Is anyone here? Where are you? Say something. Are you friendly? How old are you? How old are you? Oh, I'm having internet issues. Why now? Why couldn't that have been earlier? That scream was priceless. Ah! I'm glad you enjoyed it. Well, I didn't expect that to happen. Weird. I don't understand. But the internet seems to be stabilizing. Ugh. This damn ghost. Turning off my lights. I wish I could open the garage, then I could get to the power box much faster. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What a bag of bullshit. It's an actual hunt. Yeah. I think the hunt's over. power was on the whole time. I'm like blaming the ghost. No wonder the ghost is mad. I'm blaming it for no lights on, and it's me. Okay. I need to go get candles. Benji, those wings were cunt. I'm so glad. I just turned the lights on, and I'm pretty sure my cross just exploded. Yep. Ah!
Let's go, Joe.
Jesus Christ. Benji, you know, you're about to join me. I'm gonna leave you to die so fast. Jay, if I were a ghost, I would haunt the gays so I could watch Drag Race. Completely. So, what a good idea. Which reminds me, Jay, are you watching The Pit Stop? I forgot if you like The Pit Stop or not. I forgot to mark down the evidences. Oh, so we have free... Oh, wow. It took 35 minutes for me to realize that it was a hunt. And then I, like, basically walked on top of where it starts hunting. Oopsies. That was a mistake. Benji, are you ready to play? I hope so. Well, I watch Pit Stop for entertainment purposes. I'm not going there to adjust my opinions or anything like that. If anything, I have my opinions, and I go there to make sure that they're thinking the same things, because then I feel validated. But if they think differently, I think that I'm right and they're wrong, and blah, 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 blah. I plug my ears.
Welcome back. There's some jobs ready for you.
Hey! I got some money. Monty. Oh, we upgraded the flashlights. Benji, we get new flashlights. Holla. Bam.
Welcome back. I've got some jobs ready for you.
Multiplayer. Also, Benji, are we gonna do in-game voice activation again? Oh, I see. You don't wish to be a ghost. Okie dokie, sounds good, Benji. Audio. Voice activation. Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hi, Benji. Everybody, this is Benji.
Hi, everybody.
Okay. So do you need a warm-up game like the one I just had where I literally died on amateur?
No, I'm an expert.
Oh, you're expert. You're good to go. We're going to prison.
Nurse!
Photo camera. Flashlight. Upgrade available. Oh, I see. I have to hold it. Meow.
Wait, what? Just how am I back at level 1?
That doesn't make sense. I don't think.
I lost all my money.
Did you switch accounts? Did you not sign in last time? Yeah, we're not going to prison. Don't worry. No. I was kidding. P did.
Oh, all I did was open up Phasmo.
Weird. I wonder why it reset.
Wait, were you the host last time?
I think so.
Or was that Quicks that was picking up?
P did. Yay, prison. You're so brave. No. It's not happening. Flashlight. There we go.
Oh my god.
Yeah, okay.
I was level 6. Now I'm level 1.
I don't understand how that happened.
Even
But-
though I have all the, like, I can see all the maps. And that's so confusing. 'cause
Did
I
you
can't see them.
change accounts? Are you sure?
No, it's on Steam. All I did was.
Hi,
open up
Doodle.
Steam And hit play.
I don't know. That doesn't make any sense.
It's because I changed my name.
To Joan? I hope not. If I change my name, will I lose 19 levels? Now I'm scared.
Hopefully that's
I'm not gonna
happen.
try
That's,
it, but maybe. How are you doing today, Doodle Star? We're playing some Phasmo.
Let's go, Joan.
Okay, do you have a preferred map
I have
now that you can see them
Um,
all?
any map I'm okay with.
Okie dokie. Whenever you're ready.
I'm a pro level 1, okay?
I know you are. I believe it. In my heart of hearts. Sunny Meadows? Oh my god. Did I tell you about me trying to do Sunny Meadows and how terrified I was? So much so that I exited. It's like I would be so lost that the ghost would start hunting and I wouldn't know it's hunting except that I'm trying to turn on lights that the switch isn't working. And I'm like, that's weird. And then I'll see like down the hallway some lights flashing and I'm like, what's that? And then you can hear all the stuff from so far away. Like when you load into the map, it like warns you. It's like, ooh, people say you can still hear the ghosts. And yeah.
Right. Check the equipment.
Hi.
These are better flashlights.
Yeah, I just got them.
Oh, you think you fancy, huh? Think some top shit, huh?
I know I'm some top shit, okay? Let's see. We have to witness a ghost event. Something about a firelight. Capture a photo of the ghost.
Okay.
Okay, I brought a thermometer and a camera.
I have EMF. And
Oh God, what's its name? Grant. Oh my goodness.
Hugh Grant.
That's the one. I'm sure of it.
Hugh.
I feel like my other flashlight was better. Oops. Oh, it's not the music box.
How did I hear something over here? What was that?
Was it me opening the door?
No, it was when we first walked in. It was like a.
What? I don't like that.
I'm sorry. I'm just saying what I heard.
Ooh, the bone's here. That was easy. I don't think the temperature is moving in here.
I found the Ouija board.
Oh shit! Where is it?
Master bedroom closet.
Do you have a camera? Okay, I'll come take a picture of it. I didn't know Consuelo was here.
Ladies.
We're in the master.
Where's P Dids? P Dids would want to instantly do this.
I get so scared to do that.
I know. And then I always forget to say goodbye. Do we have to do it in the dark? That sounds scary.
No. Mom Shiva, Mom Shiva, Mom Shiva.
Hello? P-Dids would like to know your name.
Ladies.
What is your name? Or I guess we know their name. Oh, how old are you? Oh, fuck. 26.
26.
Damn.
Oh, baby.
Are you single? I mean, goodbye.
You instantly say goodbye.
I got an
Your
answer.
name.
I can't believe I asked it its name, and we literally
What's
know
your
its
name?
name.
How old are you? Goodbye.
Well, it told us its age. I'm out of here. Are you kidding me?
I don't need to know anything else about you. Your name, your age.
It could be. Did you not know you were a paranormal entity, P-Dids? Hi, Sophia. How are you? I've already died tonight. I think that just sums up how Phasmo's going. I did say goodbye so fast. And the ghost was like, bye. But like, I lived. I didn't die. I miss when it was a bathroom ghost. Oh, I can see my breath in the kids' room, and there's items askew.
Let's go, Jim.
No more wire hangers. Sophia BRB driving home. Be safe, Sophia. Okay, I'm bringing back a motion sensor and the writing book. Unless you have that. I miss when it was a bad. Well, I do. You have to use that in the
Can you
dark.
say something? Oh, I have to?
You have to use it in the dark.
How old are you? Goodbye.
I feel like I'm being bullied. P-Dids, LOL, I have you and another tab opened, and you went into that room and the Huntress Lullaby started playing. I got a little freaked out. I would too. We're against the Huntress. I'm not prepared. This. And I'll bring some of this. This is basically like the mother's dwelling. It's just a little bigger. Have you got a response?
No, what other question should I ask them?
Ooh, it's freezing temperatures. It's way below 0. You can ask where it is, how old it is.
Where are you?
Yeah, where are you? You can ask if it's friendly.
Are you friendly? Are you a girl? Are you one of them homosexuals?
Let's see.
Are you a straight person?
Oh God, I would hope not. It's like pointed at the ceiling. Oh. I am persistent.
Here, I can go grab some items. Drop all my stuff.
I heard something. Okay, EMF 4. It's ghostwriting. Oh yeah. Oh God! Why? Shut up. Did you get that whisper?
I heard it.
Okay, good. This ghost is gonna be like, you're an idiot.
Ghost orb. Ghost orb. Ghost orb.
Ghost orb.
Yeah, I see it floating.
That's all the evidence is. Ooh, we got one footprint.
Hiding from everything wrong with closer to move slowly. Boy.
Oh, did the lights go out? Yeah.
No.
So what else do we need for objectives?
Well, we have all the evidence, so we just need to do the.
Oh, that's true. What do we need for, yeah, bonus points? I'll get the light switch. Do we remember where it was? Was it by the Ouija board? No! I went to the wrong place.
Okay, I'm gonna set a candle in there because they have to blow out the candle.
Oh, I see. And then someone has to take a picture of the ghost, right? Okay. Oh, they did the other footprint. Perfect. Did you bring matches?
Yes.
With the matches also in your hand, you hold the candle and you right click. And then you set the candle down.
Okay. Hold the candle and set it down. Can you blow out the candle for me?
And you pressed F,
Give me
right?
a big
Or whatever.
blow. Yeah, I think it's X.
Yeah, I think so.
Place it.
Otherwise, I think it would have like fallen over.
Oh God. Can you be a big boy and blow out this tiny little candle?
You're 26. You can blow it out 26 times. I don't know what I'm saying.
Lungs.
Yeah, you have big lungs. We know it. Daddy.
Does it have to be just that candle?
How long does the candle last by itself?
It used to be a long time. Like it never would go out. But you could also light other candles, but they can't pick up a candle.
Wait, what happened?
We blew it out. Yes, we got it.
Let's get out of here.
Oh, take a picture, take a picture, take a
Oh,
picture, take a picture.
I. God damn it! I think it's actually hunting.
Oh, dang!
I think Benji died. Benji, no. The way we both couldn't figure out. Oh my God! What happened to your neck? It was like a ghost event right into a haunt or a hunt. So like, I'm not blaming you, Benji. But should I still try to get the picture? Also, I didn't even circle the correct ghost yet. It's a revenant. But also, how come it started the hunt in the hallway? Or did it not? Okay, I got it. Out of here. Woohoo! Okay, Benji, come to the car. I'm in my mom's car. Broom, broom. I don't think we got any bad photos. Oh, wait, maybe we did. Maybe I did. Dead body. I love that. That's so tacky. Dang, we got all good photos. Benji, are you in the car? Oh, Jesus. I love that it's invisible. I hope you circled Revenant. We did it! That's so exciting. Well, I'm so sad that Benji died because we were doing so good. Also, there's an ad starting soon. Beware. It's the big one.
Welcome back. I've prepared some jobs for you.
And Benji, I'm so sorry you died. We were doing so good.
We were like, oh, get a picture, get a picture. And I was like, this is lasting a little bit longer.
Well, I swear it started as a ghost event and then it turned into a hunt. But I'm
Yeah,
not.
I think he showed up in the hallway, but then he started hunting from the bedroom.
Yeah, because I was like,
'Cause I
where'd
could
they
hear
go? And then, yeah, I heard you croak.
I was like, is he hunting? He's hunting.
And I love that we both ran into the same room. We got you to level 3 though, and you died, so...
I don't know. I hate that when you die, you lose like 50% of the set, so I could have been like...
It's true. You could have gotten to like, yeah.
Oh, excuse me, I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Let's go, Joe.
Do you have any preference on where to go next?
Any map I'm okay with.
Okie dokie.
Have you not done the bigger maps yet?
I've been to the prison. I've been to Sunnyside, and I've been to the high school, but that's always with like a team.
Yeah. Those are really hard
We're
to
welcome
do.
to try.
Solo. Oh no, it's okay.
But I was telling people earlier when I was at the Sunnyside or Sunny Meadows, it was so big and I was so lost that the ghost would hunt and I wouldn't know about it unless I tried to like turn on a light switch. And I'm like, that's weird. This light switch won't work.
They turned the lights off again.
And it's like, nope, they were hunting. Whenever you're ready.
Oh.
I love that thing. It says it's a shame nobody was around to hear the residents running for their lives. Shrine, thank you so much for the follow. For the lurk. I hope you're doing well today. Happy Wednesday. I hope your week is going well.
equipment and prepare accordingly before starting the investigation. Nothing to report, but it looks like whoever was here left in a hurry.
A photo of the ghost. Gosh darn it. Hello.
Hello. I'm trying to figure out.
Shrine, hope yours is too. It's going. It's been a week, I'll tell you that. It's been a weird week. Yes, Jay, I actually just said that on Twitter, and the person, like, really disagreed, and I, like, wanted to argue, but I was like, I know better than to argue with somebody on Twitter. But they were like, the Phasmo ghosts have no background. Like, it would be so boring. And I'm like, do you not realize that DVD creates background for everything they put in? Even Yoichi, they made that up because Yoichi isn't in the movies like that. They aged him up and made up his bio. So, like, they could easily do that for Phasmo. And if anything, it would enrich Phasmo. I didn't see where the box was, did you? Oh, thank
Right
God.
here.
Twitter is a hole of hate. A hate hole. I called this a hawking hole.
Ice.
What happened?
I saw you talk about the pit stop earlier.
Yes.
Are we talking about what they said about facial hair?
What did they say? I haven't watched the second one. The second pit stop with
Yeah, so they were.
Is it
Dave,
Violet?
Trixie and Violet said drag queens shouldn't have beards or facial hair.
That's
And
rude.
I strongly disagree with that.
Yeah, I very much disagree with that.
Because there's streamers like Evie who always has a beard. I love. It would be weird seeing her without a beard in drag.
Yeah, that's really shady of them. I really enjoyed the pit stop with literally cannot remember the guest who was on the first episode. Oh, Shea Coulee.
Shea
That one was
Coulee.
so good.
Yeah.
Why was this door open?
Shay.
Suspicious. God damn it. I feel like we have to go upstairs. Ooh, these are open, just so you know. Unicorn, what? The backgrounds are fake? I am so sorry that you had to find out today that Sally Smithson isn't real. Oh, whoops. Did you turn that fan on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm suspicious. Let's check this room before we go upstairs. Oh wait, I think it's this room.
Bone. 'Tis the bone.
Yeah, what a lame little bone. I like when it's a rib cage. Okie dokie. Let's try upstairs. I took a picture of this once, thinking it would be evidence. No, it's just an axe and a mirror. Typical house decor. Let's see what's up in here. Imagine, I guess they don't have bedrooms on the bottom floor. I was like, imagine having to go upstairs to do laundry. But I guess the bedrooms are here. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I thought that was you. That's
Was it a
exciting.
piano? Wait, they're hunting.
Oh god, I'm gonna die. No!
Oh my god, Benji, no! Benji, no! Not like this, Benji! Where did it hunt from? It like came from down the hall. I'm scared. I didn't want to do this alone, even though I was fully prepared to play alone. Just fully. What's that sound? And oh, is that Benji? Benji's haunting me. Where did the ghost hunt from? And Jay, what do you mean I heard Violet was too nice? Are you being sarcastic? Oh, I see my breath. Okay, let's revisit Benji's body and take his stuff. Let's loot the body. Is that all you had? That's what your coworker said? I literally dislike. Is it done? It's a sassy ghost. So it came from this. Oh wait. It came from this one, right? Oh, it's freezing temperatures. I didn't know where to go. I was already in the room. Why was that one so much more aggressive? Jesus. My goodness.
I've got some jobs ready for you.
Watching you go into the corner and just scream.
Well, I didn't know where to go. I was in the room already, and there were no hiding places, and it just came right in.
She started hunting so quickly.
Yeah, that was ridiculous. We didn't even find the room she was in yet. Unicorn, we have all learned today that no, you cannot hide in the corner. Well, I don't think it helped that I screamed bloody murder.
Didn't we both died trying to hide in the corner.
I had nowhere else to go. I actually think I could have gone behind a desk, but I didn't think about it. Should we try that house again, or do you want to go somewhere else?
No, we can try it again.
Okie dokie. That was so funny. I was yelling, "Don't stand there." Well, you know what? When you are in the grips of terror, your brain just doesn't make good decisions. That was so funny.
Alright, we're here. Take a look at the equipment and prepare accordingly before starting the investigation.
Reed, you were dying laughing.
Objects nearby.
Good.
Be the reason that the ghost was
Find
summoned here.
evidence with EMF.
You may be able
Use
to
the
use
area.
this to your advantage.
Use the incense. Remember.
Oh, EMF.
Sophie Sweeney. Is that Sydney Sweeney's sister?
Sophie. Sweeney Todd. I had no idea where to go. Okay, if the power goes out, it's not here. It must be in the back by that heater.
Ugh.
Oh, it's... I found the music box.
Yeah.
This time, if we use it, I won't, Oh, that's outside.
Did I die last time? Oh no, you died last time.
We both died. What are you talking about?
No, the last time you used the music box.
Oh, yeah. I found the jawbone. It's because I used the... I was still using the flashlight when I did it. It's always a good idea when you're going to activate the ghost. Oh wait, it's not here. I wonder where it is. It must
I wonder if
upstairs?
it's in the attic.
I didn't know it could spawn there. That sucks. I'm glad it started on. Okay, so we found the bone. We
Did
found
it
the...
already make noise?
Not that I remember.
Oh, it's making a noise. Something's upstairs making a noise.
Okay, then let's go.
Or unless I'm just so paranoid I'm here.
Right. It's the same ghost, same room, same vendetta against us. Homo hate. Yeah, not in here.
Oh, I hear the radio.
Oh, there's a radio on? Oh, excuse me. There's a phone ringing.
Getting EMF over here?
Where's the radio?
It's in here.
Oh, is this not the same room? This is.
Yes, this is the same.
Oh wait, no. Wait, is it? No. Yes. No. Wait, yes it is. Ah! It's the same room. This is where I died. I thought this would be a great hiding place. I guess I could have hid by the fan. I don't know if it's in the room or not.
I'm getting EMF like right here at the doorway.
Oh, actually, yeah, I see my breath. Okay, I'm gonna go get some supplies. I want to see that. They need an extra light here, my goodness. I hate that I left the light on by the thing. God, there's only a minute left of the pre-time. Okay, let's do this. I appreciate y'all for hanging out with me tonight. This has been a really fun Phasma stream. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to stream, and I had it wasn't a long day, but it was like a up and down stressful day. And so I was like, I almost didn't want to stream, and so I'm glad I did. Okay, it's not below 0 yet. No EMF 5 though.
Nothing yet, no. Oops.
Yeah. The ghost had like hunted 3 times by now in the last game.
Yeah, the top is intense.
Bum, ba-da-bum, bum, 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 bum. Video camera. I'm so glad that Benji always takes the spirit box, because I'm not gonna do it. Also, I need that clock to be decommissioned. You would hit your head on this every fucking day.
Okay, the temp is at 0 now.
But not below?
It just went below.
Ooh, okay, perfect.
Freezing temps.
Freezing temps.
I'm gonna try this again. How old are you? Where are you?
Oh, that's too loud.
Are you old?
Oh shit.
Do you like meat?
Ghostwriting. Do you like meat?
Do you like meat?
I circled a revenant just in case we die.
Oh yeah, because I think, well, if we have to get it above an EM at level 5, wouldn't that then be one of the things that we...
Wait, what?
So one of the objectives is to get EMF... Oh no, it's not find evidence with the EMF. Never mind.
I am not good at these hiding places. Something about this room feels very trapping. Where did Benji go? Hunting again. Benji, run! We have such bad luck at this house. That is so funny. I cannot. This is so ridiculous. That is so funny.
I hate that house.
I can't believe it. And I do too. We do not have good luck in that house.
Like, within 5 seconds of a hunt, she starts hunting again.
I know! And then she spawned. I saw where she spawned. It was right in front of the room. So, like, by the time you were out of the room, they were, like, about to spawn. And you were already fucked.
And it was a demon again. It was the same ghost from last time.
Oh my...
too.
Same ghost, same room. I don't like that
Same
house.
bitch.
Exactly. That is so funny. Oh wait, hold on. Also, thank you so much, Sophia, for the happy 300 followers wish. Benji, are you still here?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if I DC'd from the game too. I want to find another tarot deck. Okay. Sorry, my internet is being weird. I'm waiting for it to settle down. My God. Sophia, I don't know if you heard me, but thank you for the 300 followers, Wish. I'm so excited.
We've arrived. Check the equipment and get set up before investigating. There have been new reports of a cursed object nearby. This must be
Cursed
the reason
object.
the ghost was summoned here. Take a look. You may be able to use it to your advantage.
I don't know why there's one of the old flashlights.
That was me. I just sprayed in whatever I had. Okay, some of us are poor.
I don't know why you would be here. I don't associate with the poor.
Ew, poor.
Gross. Okay, we could reach 0 sanity. Okay. It's in the garage. Let's do it. Hi, Quicks. Benji. Quicks is in the house. I mean, not the house we're going into, but you know what I mean. But
Quicks is the
hi,
ghost.
Quicks. I hope you're doing well. Oh, right. Raheen, have a good night, buddy, and take care, all. Have a lovely night, Raheen. Thank you so much for hanging out. I hope you have a wonderful Thursday. Oh my god, she's hunting! I'm just kidding. You're so good at the tune. Raheen, I enjoyed
I
this.
found the
Yay! Oh shit. I'm the ghost. Buckle up, ladies. Quicks is about to take us for a ride.
Ladies.
She just must have
And yes,
getting
puppy cam is
screwed
always
twice.
on during Phasmo because I'm not doing it. It's too scary. If I have to look away, I'm glad there's a puppy cam.
I'm gonna be a menace real quick.
I feel like the potato is somewhere in. Oh, I found the potato.
I'm gonna piss this ghost off. Opening every cat.
Hi, ya pup. Yes, I was just about to join and demand Phasmo. Yeah, pup. It's a long story. I didn't really. I almost didn't feel like streaming. Like I had like a long-ish day. It was kind of like an up and down.
Nurse!
Day of anxiety. You bitch! Stop imitating the ghost before I throw some salt on you. The way I saw your arm through the wall. Maybe it's in
So
master bedroom.
do you know the trick about the lights?
No, what?
So if you turn too many on, it blows. The
Oh, it blows the fuse. Yeah, I have
Yeah.
encountered that. Maybe it's in one of the kids' rooms. But I hope you're having a good Wednesday, ya pup. Did you hear that? Because I heard it. Was it the bathroom?
EMF over here. Maybe. Or is it the hallway?
Ooh, it could be a hallway ghost.
I'm getting here at the entrance area.
What? Can't hide in there.
Nice gone. Put that there. I meant to pick that up. Are you here?
Are you here?
Are you like fucking here? Are you like a ghost or something?
Quicks, did they update the living room couch to be a low back IKEA model? Because that's what it is now. Honestly, it is an upgrade. It was it leather before?
Can you give us a sign?
It's moving the thing out here. I think. Do you have the
Here, I'm
EMF
gonna go
reader?
grab that thing.
I think it could be the whole hallway. The whole hallway smells like cum. Yup, pup. I worked from home today to work on my computer and not an iPad, so it was nice. I had some gaps in the day and got home stuff done too. You miss being home? Aw. It sucks that you have to be at the office so much. That is the truth. But I am glad you got so much stuff done. Yay. Oh my god, Sophia, good luck. I wish you all the luck. If you have questions, I'm here.
I'm getting my breath.
Like only over
in the
here?
hallway.
Okay.
It's going below 5. Wait, no, now we're back up.
Ghost
It's
orbs.
this bedroom.
It's ghost orbs. Ghost orbs, ghost orbs. Talk about ghost orbs.
Ghost orbs. Okay, so the temp is dropping really quickly here in the hallway.
Okay. Then it's gotta
It's
be.
below 5, but it's not at 0 yet.
Oh, it's below 0?
No, it's
Oh.
below 5, but not at 0 just yet.
Oh, I see. Do you know what the ghost's name is?
Gregory, I think.
Greg. Sophia, I'm so proud of you. You show those survivors who's boss. You blink. And you blank. Parabolic microphone. I'll bring this. And I'll bring this. Meow.
Yes. Still pretty low.
You say it like you're diagnosing a disease. I'm so sorry, but it's ghost orbs. Honestly.
I'm so sorry, stage 4 ghost. Can you say something?
I'm doing chaos shuffle because I have no points in here. Oh, I see.
That's a level
Good luck, Sophia. If you need add-on suggestions, let me know. some salt.
How old are you? How did you die?
We got footprints. Footprints.
What was that?
Are you alive?
Yeah, all I did was stand on the bed.
I always wonder if the ghost can get you there.
Well, I don't know. I tried to. This closet's full, so I just.
I love it. Did I get both pictures?
Ooh.
No.
There's.
I think it's done. I do not like that I can hear it saying, "Where are you?"
Yeah. Oh, he keeps throwing stuff.
I still need a picture of the other.
Ghost riding.
Oh, yes. It's ghost riding. Did you get freezing temps yet?
Oh yes, below 0.
And it's ghost orbs.
Let's go outside. Let's go outside.
Okay, let's see evidence.
Revenant.
Ghost riding and freezing temperatures. Another revenant. The only ghost we can live against. So I have the microphone in there. I couldn't get a noise. But you're welcome to try.
I was about to go in and then he turned up the light.
I'm gonna bring Sage because we have to sage while we're being chased, apparently. Is that the last objective we have?
Incense and the.
Oh, the parabolic microphone. Yeah, I can't get
I
that.
have that out right now.
Good luck.
He keeps opening doors.
Yeah, pup. Did you hear the ghost saying shit? Like that wasn't okay. Usually it's humming or singing. Quicks, I was making popcorn. What did I miss? Did Benji die? Not yet.
We got both objectives.
Yay! It was coming for my ass. Like it was running. at
Oh,
me.
I only have 2%. I just kept hiding up on that bed. It never came in that room.
Oh, if you want to go back in there, we have a daily task for reach 0 sanity.
Okay, yeah.
Try not to die.
Did we already find the
Oh, no,
whatchamacallit?
we have not found the cursed item. You're so right.
Okay.
I'm going back in. I'll bring a crucifix and put it down. Witch is a professional ghost hunter. We all saw it firsthand. Yeah, I definitely didn't die. It's like pissed. Oh well, yeah, it's
I
because
did-
you're at
I
like
did
0
get it.
sanity. Oh my god! That scared the shit out of me. Thank gosh you have a camera. Whew.
I got a picture of the ghost. That was a good picture, actually, of the ghost. And then the fronts.
Yeah, nice job. Holy shit. And you need to. Oh yeah, let's find the cursed item. But maybe you should take some medicine before.
Did we already do it? Did we get the 0?
Uh,
Yeah.
not yet.
Oh, we didn't.
You're at
Wait,
like
do we go
1%.
a bit?
Did you take Oh no, I'll take medicine.
No, I haven't. I won't take it. Just in case if I die. Then...
Oh wait. I wonder if the daily task has to be me. Yup, pup, your face is so effing good. I jumped. You jumped from what? The ghost. Did you hear it running for my ass? No. Oh, Benji.
Hey, I got you just before you died.
It's fully because I said something or like I made a noise. I made a noise. I wanted to find the cursed object. I can't believe this. It makes me so sad. Okay, now I'm in the van.
Started running. It moved this. Oh, okay.
That was
I like
so
that
scary.
It moved this as your dead body.
Instead of my dead body, it says it moved this. Oh my god. Oh, that was so scary. Oh. My goodness.
Back. I prepared some jobs for you.
Benji, I died because I made a noise.
Yeah, I heard you. I was like, why is he talking?
I didn't mean to. I was like, oh, it's probably done. And then, nope. It ran for my ass. It
I
ran.
kept trying to the closet locker I was in.
Escape a revenant. Did I escape? Did I? Maybe it's talking about when I saged.
Here, let me do this real quick.
Okie dokie. Oh my goodness. Is somebody joining us?
Possibly.
That would be amazeballs.
Oh, of course she comes in eating something.
Don't make chubby girl jokes.
Hi, Quicks.
See, Quicks is still at level 7. Why did it restart me?
Yeah, I don't know.
It's so weird. I came in here and put me back at level 1 with 0 money.
But like, I feel like you didn't have this ghost hunt and recruit icon either.
You didn't.
Oh, I was an intern.
So something did change, or like you changed an account or something got switched. Or maybe changing your names. Well, I don't know. Quicks, did you change your name between games?
No.
We're maybe thinking changing your Steam name did it, but that seems far-fetched.
That's kind of...
That would be rough.
Right?
No, I changed from Ken's Smooth Crotch because I didn't want that just to be what showed up. But now, you know what? I do regret that, and I should have kept it then.
I have this now?
And I got upgraded, flashlights. You're welcome.
Hell yeah.
Sophia got a 4K with her first time on Nurse.
Lady.
Well, maybe it's not your first time.
Yeah.
Good job, Sophia.
That is really good. Dang.
So quick, just to let you know, there's one house we won't be going to because we got screwed twice.
It was the
By the
same
same
ghost
ghost in
type
the same area.
in the same room.
Ew.
It was
And
really
would
upsetting.
hunt, kill one of us, wait 5 seconds, hunt again.
Completely. It was just not necessary. Very rude.
Made me ready up a second. Make me ready up again.
Let's go,
Jesus
Joe.
Christ, Benji! Benji gave me a heart attack. Benji, we're about to be on a team, you know. I'm gonna tell the ghost where you
Oh,
are.
I had to ready up again?
Sophia, I'm so proud of you. Ooh, I also keep forgetting this is... Is it that? That's for the ghost where we did survive. Hello.
Delete it fast.
Delete it, old, bald. Why am I old? Why am I fat?
Whoever was here must have summoned the ghost with a cursed object. Investigate
A
it,
cursed
but be
item.
careful.
Oh, it's Megan.
A better flash. That is a better flashlight.
Megan Lavender means she's a lesbian.
Oh,
I think she's a lesbian.
Lesbian or
oh,
stripper?
because of the lavender.
Because of the. It's because of
Pero
the
por qué no
Megan.
los dos, Benji?
Welcome to the stage, Megan Lavender.
Where is the box? Okay, it's in the garage. Oh, it's this fucking house? It's similar to the Conjuring 2 movie, and I don't like that. Did you hear that already?
Maybe I don't remember The Conjuring 2 well enough.
Yeah, it takes place in the is this Enfield Road?
It takes place what?
In this same map, the Edgefield Road. What map? Where are we? What game is this?
Oh, it touched this door.
Where?
Touched the bathroom door. The spine's in here also.
The spine.
I'm getting EMF readings.
Probably because there's a freaking spine on the floor. That's unusual.
That's a whole ass spine.
I'm dropped to 50, but
Yeah, I think it was just being sassy about the bone.
she was like, I bet they need help finding the bone. Possibly do that by themselves.
Sophia, Patrick Wilson can get it. I agree. He's handsome in a weird way.
That's my Hollywood crush.
Oh, Patrick Wilson? He's great.
Yes. Oh, he's so hot.
Is that not a light?
Do you want to know the room?
Did you take a picture of it?
Did that count?
Let's see.
Let's see.
Yes, it did.
Yep.
Yeah, let's find out.
Okay, let me find somewhere to hide really quick because I'm gonna get murdered.
Oh,
Oh.
is
I'm
that
gonna hide
what's
in the
gonna
locker.
happen?
Okay,
What?
I'm gonna go to the front.
Okay,
How'd you get in here?
I'm gonna die. I'll take your juices, thank you. And thank you, Yupup, for liking the new command. Did you do it?
I did it, but it's not hunting because I don't think it broke, so that's good.
It said it was the kitchen.
Okay.
The kitchen?
Kitchen.
I don't know about that.
But that's what it said. It showed the table and it showed the pickles.
Okay, let's see. We'll bring some of this. And we'll grab some of that. Meow.
I could talk to her. I'm gonna turn the light off now, though. Are you here? Okay.
Well, yes, they are here.
And my breath is cold. Ooh, it dropped to 5 degrees in here.
Benji,
I
it's
got fingerprints.
it's Spirit.
Hmm.
Where? Oh, I see. Okay, where's the camera?
So we have fingies and we have box.
Okay, we got
Spirit box.
Ultraviolet and we got Spirit Box. That photo is awful, but it got 3 stars, so I don't care. Did we get any EMF 5?
Poltergeist faint. Poltergeist needs Ghost Riding, Phantom needs Dots, and the twins.
Where did that just
needs
make noise?
EMF.
Okay. I can go get a dot.
You ever see a tree get hit by lightning? Wait for it. Ka-chow, ka-chow. I really don't know where I would go hide if the ghost started hunting. Maybe I'll figure that out. To the basement? That seems like a bad idea. Chicka chicka. Ah, my hiding places aren't even available.
So it could also be the twins, but the twins are spirit.
It's hunting.
No, 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 no.
You barely fucking. Oh, you did not survive. Not me being like, you barely fucking survived. Nope. No, you did not.
Somebody did.
Quix is dead as hell. I witnessed the whole thing. Well, Quix was doing what I was doing, where you scream.
Marshmallow in the house. Now,
La Lawson, thank you so much for the follow. Oh, interesting. It counted the dead body twice. Quicks, like that. I thought you were Benji, and I just kept yelling, whispering, Benji, no! I wanted to tell Quicks, I wanted to tell you to be quiet. But then I didn't want to talk and get killed. La Lawson. Oh, it's over. Are you alive?
Nurse!
Oh god. Benji, it is not ghostwriting. I don't think. Well, actually now I don't know. I didn't know there were 2 books. It could still be the poltergeist. Okay, it's over. I think so too, but my god, it keeps happening so frequently. I'm gonna check our sanities. Anyways, now that this ghost has stopped me from talking for 35 minutes. Hi, Lalosin. Oh yeah, our sanities are very low. Oh, hi, you're right here. I would absolutely recommend that you start with the small maps, which is like Tanglewood. And do the tutorial. The tutorial helped me so much and taught me a bunch of shit that other people didn't even know.
So we have to do incense, and I got the microphone.
Okay. Do you have Spirit Box and Ultraviolet? Is that it?
Yes, that's all I have.
I'm
right
gonna
now.
look for ghost
'Cause it-
orbs.
Well, it can be either dots, ghost writing, or the twins is also another option. But those are like.
How do you
EMF
have?
5,
How do you
Spirit
get the
Box, and Sensei.
twins?
Um,
Twins doesn't have
Oh,
ultraviolet.
I was looking. Sorry, I was looking at the mimic.
Oh,
My
the
bad.
mimic. I see. I gotcha.
Freezing temps. Is another one.
Hi, Silky. Thank you for the lurk, friend. And then Lalosin. When I play alone, I play with push to talk on, and that helps me a lot more. But playing with voice
But
activation,
we got
like
freezing temps.
oh, we do. Oh yeah, we do. Quicks, if you hear that, we have freezing temps. Oh wait, so it's not going to be ghost orbs. Okay. Then what do we need now? What's left? What objectives?
Just the last two objectives. That's the microphone and the incense.
Okay, do you have the microphone? Oh yeah, you do. I'll grab incense. But yeah, Lalosin. I guess it also depends on if you're playing alone. I highly recommend playing with friends if you have any who play Phasmo. Oh, Sage. I'm a human. Oh,
That was scary. That scared me.
did it hunt you?
No, I got the microphone though.
Yay!
So now I just need the.
I have the incense, so let's get it to hunt you. Sophia, not a single kill the second time. Got Blackwater Swamp and had no idea what my perks did. Aww. Oh, I know where I'm going.
Kill me.
Can you start a hunt? The one time we would like it.
Show yourself.
You killed our friend. We want revenge. Oh God!
Bitch right now. Oh.
Are you alive?
That was so scary. Yes, I'm alive. I know as soon as we started celebrating. Oh fuck, I don't have my flashlight. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Did we get it? Did we get him? Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, I walked
I think it-
through the ghost because when I started the sage, it turned directions, and then I went down the hallway to chase it, and then it turned around. Oh, it was awful. Quicks, are you here?
Picture of the ghost at least.
We learned that you can throw the clipboards as a ghost.
In my dailies.
Okay, you're here. Make sure you have the mimic. And we found the cursed object. We found the bone. We're awesome. Dude, the look of motion. Dude, the look of motion. But Lalosin, I highly recommend this game, even if you're playing solo. It's so fun. Start with the small maps. Pay attention to your sanity. Do not beat up yourself for not being able to figure out.
Yelling Benji's name at Witchling. It was fine.
What? What happened?
I was literally like scream whispering. Benji, no! Benji, no! But it was you who was with me, and I can't tell you two apart.
I know, we're the two white women.
I can't figure it out. It's hard.
That is so funny. I'm glad we got it right though, and we like got everything. I'm so sad you died, Quicks, but I know for a fact it was because we were talking.
It's because I kept yelling, no, Benji, no.
Yep.
No.
And I was like, what is she
No.
saying?
As I'm upstairs in the closet.
Literally.
I just forgot who was with me. I panicked.
Oh, so good.
You guys did good though. You got it was a mimic, and I wasn't even one of the OG 3.
Benji kept saying twins, and I was so
I
confused.
know. I was like, it's the twins, but all three of those evidence are completely different from what we do.
Like, first name
But
Charlotte,
it
last
has
name
to
Victor.
be the twins.
It's the twins.
So odd.
Sophia, I've got a Leon in my lobby. Ooh, good luck. Good luck keeping him alive. How about that? This building has a real history of death. Who sold the building to claim its next victim? But also, just in general, Lalosin, thank you so much for the follow, and thanks for hanging out tonight.
That means
Hello.
they're complaining about it, or like, no.
Oh my god. Can we all just calm down and like people can have opinions and it'll be okay? We'll all get through it together.
No!
Absolutely not.
Like, it's okay that two people say that they don't think drag queens should have beards, and then other people say drag queens should and can have beards. Like, it's okay to have both of those opinions.
But what about
Because
when
if
one
we
of
all
them's
had the same opinion, it
on
would
a
be
large
boring.
platform?
What?
What if it's on a large platform?
But it's still okay. It's okay. It's called opinions. People can have them.
Instant.
We don't have to
I
lose
don't
our
know
fucking
about
minds
that.
over it.
I just don't know.
It's not like they were fucking saying something horrifically homophobic or like transphobic.
They
or,
pulled
like,
people
racist
off
or
the
something.
street and
Like,
started
they just
shaving
said
them.
beards. Beard and drag. That's
Yeah.
fine. That's just their
They went
opinion.
out
It's in
on
the
street,
basement.
found people with beards and just shaved their face.
Just held him down and shaved their face. Like, oh
How
my
do you get
God,
to the
it's just
basement?
The fucking sensitivity sometimes makes me a little crazy. It's fine. It's fine, you guys. It's okay.
Let's go to the basement.
Calling me sensitive. I know where
Are you
I'm
calling me
hiding.
sensitive right now? Are you attacking me?
Oh, you found it.
Power is
Hell yeah.
on. Gosh, this makes me do so much room for activities.
What did you ask?
Okay,
Who
EMF
brought the
is-
cross already?
I did.
Oh. Do we
It's
know where the
cold in
ghost
this
is?
bathroom.
Oh.
It's almost 5 degrees.
Damn.
Or 5 Celsius.
That's still 5 degrees.
Let's go, Joe.
Let's go, Joan. This place has so many hiding spots. Well, never mind, not these.
Oh, and
Looking.
it's I see my breath in here too. I think it's this bathroom.
Yeah, I think
We
that's.
kind of
what-
figured that. Okay.
Well,
We'll
that's
see.
what we're deciding now, I guess.
Also, which I had another thought while I was out in the car, out in the truck by myself. If they cancel Trixie like they did Jenna Marbles, I'm gonna burn the internet to the ground.
Oh, I would
Like
hate
if
that.
someone comes for Trixie the way they came for Jenna in the dumbest ways, I'm gonna kill someone. I swear to God.
I'll
find
never
her.
live down her leaving the internet.
No, it makes it. I'm still mourning it 3 years
Completely.
later.
Okay, I got a fingerprint picture.
It's a different hand now.
Wait,
Oh, I just had the thought while I was in the truck by myself that if they cancel Trixie Mattel like they did Jenna Marbles, which is in the stupidest fucking way, I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna burn the internet.
Sophia, I'm giving up. Aww. Cursed item. Hello. Did we find the bone yet?
We have not. I'll go look for it.
I think I blew the
Turn off the
fuse.
lights. I'll go turn it back on. I'm gonna go upstairs.
let's see the bone. Where's the bone? I found it.
You found the bone?
Yeah, it's the rib key.
My favorite.
I took a picture of it.
We found the curse object.
No, that's what I'm looking for.
Oh, we may have to open. If it's like the doll, usually you have to. Sometimes it's in like drawers and stuff. Cannot sleep tonight.
Check in here. could it be? Hello.
Hello. Oh, I forgot about this. Oops. I didn't see ghost orbs.
I didn't mean to bring that with me. There you go.
But we did get UV, is that what we said?
Yeah, we
Fingerprint,
have
yes,
these.
okay. Okay. Sophia, that is like such a real thing with Nurse. Any killer. Oh, another handprint. How nice. Do I still have the camera? Yay!
That's where you run like all the visibility perks. You run Nurses Calling. You
Exactly.
Run Lethal Pursuer. You run the what's the Ghostface one where when they vault something? You,
I'm all ears.
I'm all ears. You just
So
fucking do
good.
all the I'm gonna see you forever.
Uh-huh. Exactly.
I think loops seem like they would be really hard as Nurse. If
Benji, I thought you were the fucking hunt.
Oh, I gotta go. I don't have a flashlight. Bye.
It just burned the cross. No. The cross prevented it.
Did we find the haunted object yet?
Not yet.
I've looked in the basement and upstairs. I haven't found.
Oh fuck, I just had a ghost event.
Oh, is that what it was? I wasn't living today.
But wait, one of our goals is to use the incense on it.
Good luck.
Just around it, you don't have to be.
It's writing in the book.
Oh, it's writing in the journal. Get wrecked, bitch. Yeah. Dirty water. Yeah.
It's
you kidding me?
EMF5.
It needs
It's EMF 5. It did so many
Yeah.
things all at once. EMF
Literally.
5, writing. It's a myling.
I'm gonna
weird.
go hide real quick.
I was like, why is it? Oh.
Oh, it's a ghost event. Take its picture.
I'm out of here. Okay, the last thing we need to do is get an average sanity below 25, and we're at 30.
I stared at that ghost for so long. I'm just gonna go look for the item and maybe lose my sanity along the way.
I'm in the garage looking for it. I've looked everywhere else and can't find it.
I mean, yeah. What could it be? The voodoo doll? It could be a tarot deck. Look for cards on a table. Wait, when did I drop my flashlight? Oh. Whoopsies.
You legally have to tell me if it starts hunting.
No, we're okay.
Sophia, you're not bad because you didn't get any hooks. I don't get hooks with Nurse sometimes. I think it's done hunting.
I'm alive. Benji, are you alive?
Benji?
Yeah, I'm alive.
Oh, thank God. I think the fuse box is off. I'll go turn it on.
Is our average sanity low enough? Oh my god, we're so stupid. It's right here.
What?
Is this
Pterodactyl.
Oh, it is the pterodactyl.
Where is it?
That's the pterodactyl.
Literally right next to the front door.
That's what she looked like.
Oh.
Does somebody want to pull a card?
I died last time,
I will.
I'm gonna stand out here. You do it. I died. I don't want to die.
Let me figure out where I'm gonna hide.
Okay.
There's a place.
Do it somewhere I can see it through a window.
I'm ready. What did...
You live.
Yeah,
Did
I
Witch
took the card.
live?
I lived, but fucking barely. It was in my bathroom when it stopped. Do we even know what the ghost is? Thank you for the lurk, Lozen, and thank you again for the follow.
Yeah, it's a Miley.
How do we know that?
We have fingerprints.
We got EMF 5 and Ghost Riding like in the same moment.
Wait, I thought it was, oh wait. We didn't get, we got ghostwriting
Yeah.
and EMF 5
Mhm.
and freezing temperatures?
No,
Oh, okay.
we didn't get freezing temperatures.
That's what my issue was, my bad.
It's ultraviolet, EMF 5, and Ghost Riding.
Got it. Myling. Duh, everybody, it's a
stuff?
myling.
Yeah, we
Duh.
did. We're so fucking smart.
Benji!
Benji, don't die because you're at 0 sanity.
There's a car! Ben.
It's time to go home, Benji.
Oh, okay. I'm taking these cards with me.
Steal that bitch's cards. Suck it, Tim.
Which
Who
card
gives a
did you
fuck
pull?
about
Do you
Tim?
know?
I pulled the tower and then it changed to the Joker. That's what's like.
Oh, yeah. My
And then
first card
other
was the
one
tower.
like some positive thing. I think.
We did it. Woohoo! I love that this game does not have a time limit. I love taking my time. I love that you don't get penalized for time. The only way you get penalized is kind of like you lose sanity, and that gets harder, but it is what it is. A shiny Celebi to a Caterpie. I can't believe that shiny Celebi. Milotic. Light needs a kiss. That could be arranged. Y'all, we made so much money.
Don't spend. Do you guys want to do something a little harder?
Sure.
On intermediate? Like one of the bigger maps?
These past 2 games have been intermediate.
Yeah, We'll just like keeping it on intermediate.
Oh,
but
I
making it
see.
bigger.
Yes. No professional, Benji.
No.
Keep your fingers away from that.
They went high school, Sunny Meadows Prison, or the lodge.
I would do the high
I'd
school.
be down for a high school. We get to like get really creative. Do we have a lot of the sound sensors?
We have 2.
We have 4.
Sound sensor. I don't have access.
Can we bring more firelights? Not that we're gonna really need them, I'm sure,
I also
but
don't have access.
No, we have a sugar light, everything we need. Oh, we're doing amateur high school.
oh, you saw me change that?
I mean, I didn't see shit. We've been doing amateur this whole time.
Let's do it. We're being brave. Benji.
Oh, I did right.
It's always Benji. Yes, you are. Oh my god, shut down due to unnatural deaths.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Well, I've had friends before, and what they did was everyone took in a sound sensor and we plopped them in like quadrants, and then you could tell if there were sounds in specific places.
Not reports of violence.
Fancy.
So I'm just gonna take 2 of them. So that's all I have in a flashlight.
Okay, I'll bring the thermometer still and the camera. We need to get a photo of the ghost, a ghost event, and average sanity. Sierra. Oh wow, this is a big map. I know. We wanted to be brave, and we're being brave. So, does that mean that the?
Thingy?
Yeah, it's on. We go in the
To the right.
high
under the
school
stairs.
and to the right under the stairs. I kept wanting to call it a hospital, and I'm like, it is not a hospital.
Stop saying.
But doesn't Phasmo consider this a media map? Like, not even large.
I don't know. My god, is it dark in here?
Yeah.
Smoky. That's my EMF for
God, this place is a dump. We're gonna get salmonella or whatever.
Is it tetanus?
Oh, wait, I mean,
We're gonna get tetanus. We're gonna get Tetris. All of it. Did any lights turn on?
Right here.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the other end of the hall.
Okay, Godspeed. Maybe we should put one at the other end down
Yeah,
here.
let's do it.
And we can either rule out or confirm downstairs.
Ooh, this door is open. I'll check it out.
I found the pentagram at the entrance.
Oh shit! Take a picture.
I don't have a key on.
Okay, I do. I don't see anything in here. No bone. No nothing.
I'm gonna go get one more sound sensor.
Okie dokie.
Parabolic.
I will say, CC, I tried big maps on my own. It doesn't work. It's too hard to find. What?
Your dog is being adorable. For a long time, we only saw his butt.
I'm so sorry.
Listen, I'm not picky, but I want to pick him up and squeeze him till he makes a sound. No, he left.
I don't see a pentagram.
Here, I'll come in and show you.
You said it was by the front door. Oh, it's kind of more into the school, I see. How'd we miss that?
Where did Puppy Cam go? Because I'm gonna riot.
Well, he left. I don't know where he went.
Oh no, it's on his terms. That makes sense. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, I don't know where he went. What is this? A locker room? I don't even know where to hide. Oh, he came back. Good. Welcome back, Mr. Light. He back. Oh god, you scared me. Damn.
I keep thinking there's
I don't want to go upstairs. Let's do it. Oh, I hate it. I hate that. The way no lights really turn on.
I'm gonna get the breaker.
I think I'm closest. Actually, I might be at the left
I'm
stairs.
at it.
Yeah, you're on the other stairs. Which...
Okay, then somebody else get it.
It's back up.
Smoky. Hi. I can't get anything like under 65. Why is it open that way? I have I've never been in here. It's like a lecture hall or something.
Oh, can you see ghost orbs on the security cam still?
I believe so, as long as it's on night vision. Ooh, I love that Pokemon. It's like the goth Pokemon. I'm so proud of the Pokemon command because I like made it myself. It's personalized to me. You did? Yes. I have breath.
Ooh, where?
Second floor. Right in front of the stairs that turn on the lights. The, like, power. I think. Yeah, pup. And so, if you do exclamation my Pokemon with no space, you will get a DM from me with a list of the Pokemon that you've caught. And I think that is so cool. This room.
I'm coming in.
Yeah, it's this room. I just used the microphone thing and it was saying stuff in it.
Remembering.
I have a journal and a talk box.
So we still need the bone.
Are you here? Isn't it everyone? Oh no, I have to be alone.
Oh, okay, I'll get out. I'll look for the bone. And I always have to remind myself that like the developers are not trying to make it super fucking hard. So it's like the bone shouldn't be like super hidden. I hate this walking in dark open spaces. I hate it. God, this is a big map.
Talkbox was negative so far.
Okie dokie. Circuit blue again.
Bastard!
I love when the ghost takes the fall. It's about time to get lucky.
I haven't seen the bone yet.
Yeah, neither have I. I wonder if it can spawn in just like the hallway or something.
I'm bringing dots and fingies.
You the best. Oh, these are them? Okay.
Are you getting the breaker?
Okay, I turned the fuse back on.
Hell yeah. I want the ghost to kind of say that over and over again all the time.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. But like Jenna Marbles, you know?
Uh-huh.
Callback.
That's exactly what it reminds me of. EMF 5, ladies. Did you bring in a video camera?
No, there was one missing, so I thought someone brought one in.
I'll leave my camera here. Actually, what if I find the bone? Okay, I'll be back. Which way?
Did we have anything else besides the MF5?
No.
Like, I'm not convinced that the bone isn't just, like, in here. It's hunting.
Somebody's dying. Who died?
I'm not dead.
Quick died.
Quicks, no! The way I was trying to get out and the door is shut in front of my face. Classroom 25 is making lots of noise. Oh yeah, Quicks be dead. Do we have ghostwriting, like the materials in the room? It's hunting. Yes. Yes, it is. According to the thing, it's still hunting. Okay, it should be done now.
Okay.
How can you tell which floor you're on? Okay, this actually might be the right one. Okay. That brings up ghostwriting. Okay. It's hunting again. Damn, she likes to hunt. she's a long ass hunter. Maybe you should come back to the van. She's done now. And get some sanity. Where are the stairs? Did I go the right way? Was it to the right or the left? It's up here, right?
No, the other side.
Really? God damn it.
I keep trying to go to the room, but then she starts hunting as soon as I get to it.
Yeah, you're not even low sanity. You're like in the 30s. But you should probably take some. I took some to get back up to 80.
I think she's hunting. Yeah, she's hunting.
This is...
Back in her room, but she's still hunting. Oh my god, that was like a minute long hunt.
That's what I'm saying. Also, I dropped my flashlight and I'm in pitch black. I don't know where I am.
Okay, hang on, let me find.
Okay, I found a wall.
Keep going straight, and then when you get to the corner, turn right, and the door's gonna be halfway.
Okay.
If you're trying to come out, go left.
I see my flashlight. I dropped it. I'm such a dummy. Okay, I'm good.
Come back in.
The way Quicks died right outside the room. So scared.
Okay, I'm here.
Has anyone checked a thermometer lately?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to find.
It's somewhere here.
Quick's had it on her body.
Oh, we also got EMF 5, and if you didn't record that.
Okay, I have the thermometer sitting there.
I took the thermometer through. Sorry.
No, you're good. Can you write in the book?
What else do we need? Oh yeah, do you know where a video camera is?
I thought Quicks had brought one up.
I'll be back. I'm going to the van. Hunting. It's over. If it was even started.
Oh my god, she spawned in front of me.
Oh god! Oh, video cameras. Perfect. Ugh, this game is so fun. I love it. I'm not gonna go the wrong way this time. Come on, Ghost Hunter, do some cardio. I brought a video camera.
He spawned right in the doorway.
It's still just at 32. Oh fuck. It was a ghost event. I got a picture.
Okay. Oh, she touched the door. Is there a fingerprint or anything on it? Damn it.
Ghost orb.
So it's- oh, thank goodness. Okay, that's a hunt.
Oh, I ran into a corner. It's too fast. God damn it. I can't. Lame. Oh. Quicks, where are you? I can't, it like fully just followed the shit out of me. Oh, you're hunting again? Is that what you're doing? Oh, is this another hunt? Yeah, I heard you running after me. What does this mean? Ghost orbs, EMF. I'm guessing it's a Obake. In the spare bedroom. And I was gonna write the whatever it's called. It was gonna be great.
Welcome back. I've prepared some jobs for you.
Killed Witchling, so I took a picture.
Oh.
I was gonna go leave and start hunting again, and it was sprinting.
Wait, oh, the game ended because you died. I see. Literally in my brain, I was like, they left without me. How could they?
I was gonna
Well,
go
I
down
died
to the
first. I
bank.
can't leave without you.
Benji got in that card
And
throwaway.
Just say it's a Raiju because
I picked
was the other thing.
something. Obake. I
dots,
can't
it was
believe.
dots or ultraviolet, and I didn't see any fingerprints before.
No.
I really
And like,
thought it was Jin, 'cause the
I don't
further
know.
You guys got away, the faster she zoomed.
Yeah, I was running for my life, and I hate, like, are you able to turn on your light enough to see where you're going, or do you really just keep it off?
I keep it on until I can find a hiding spot.
Okay, that makes me feel a little better.
Because I found you standing in the corner.
Because I'm like running for my life in the dark, being like, I hope I come across a hiding place.
Come over here.
I'm not
Follow
done.
me. You can.
Do what?
You can see the
Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna be like, go look in that doorway, Nikki.
You see the.
Oh no.
Oh
I hate
God,
that.
that's fully Blair Witch.
That is.
I was like, I heard you die, and I was like, where did you die? No, and I'm like looking around and just see you standing. in the corner.
Yeah. Is that where you died too?
Close by. I was about to leave, and
Oops.
she came running at me.
So I must have saw her walk out of the room and then beeline it at you. That's so funny. Okay.
I was
love
just in the
this.
back of the classroom watching for Dots, and she did a ghost event, and I was like, oh, that's so annoying, I'm glad she wasn't hunting. And then I was still in the back of the classroom, and then she started hunting, and I, like, got stuck on a desk, and I was, like, panicking, trying to get out of the room.
That
I was trying so hard
would
not to talk, but I
happen.
can't help but go, like, no, 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 no.
So, do you guys remember what it was? Was it a Raiju?
Yeah. And that's why I was gonna go down to the
EMF5, Ghost
van
Orbs,
and tell y'all.
Dots. It was never
Because
gonna be Dots.
I had used the ultraviolet on the door and never saw fingerprints, so it couldn't be the other one.
Mm-hmm. Sorry to cut you off, Benji. We're going to my favorite map, ladies.
Ladies.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
This is my last ghost hunt.
Okie dokie.
I've got a report that suggests a possible ghost sighting.
Take EMF and picture.
So we have to repel the ghost with an incense, blow out a candle, EMF. Okay. Where's the thing?
Robert.
The fuse box is in the master bedroom.
Let's go, girls.
Dun 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 dun. Dun.
Stealth check time.
Okay, I don't see a music box. That's kind of
Did we
homophobic.
put this on intermediate or beginner?
This one's intermediate.
Hell yeah.
We got Ouija board.
Wait, is this the thing you died in twice?
I also have breath in the master bedroom. It's the master bedroom.
That first floor?
Yes. It's in the closet.
That's weird because I have
I want to play with that.
entrance area.
Do it. Do it.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Did you already take a picture of it?
I did. How old are you? 47. That's pretty old.
47 years young. How
Um,
many people have you killed?
7. Oh, goodbye.
Okay.
What does it mean when the ghost says goodbye?
I don't know.
It's like, wow, these people are dumb. So we aren't convinced it's this room? Okay. Maybe I didn't see my breath. I don't know what I saw. Yeah, I guess I don't see my breath.
Talk anymore. Oh.
Are you friendly? Are you friendly? Are you angry? Are you violent?
Oh my god.
Where are you? F-O.
It's throwing stuff in the...
Foyer!
Yeah, they're in the foyer. Thank you so much for letting us know. Goodbye.
Rocking chair is happening.
Rocking chair is happening. Oh god.
And I got breaths and liver.
Okay, got a picture.
F3.
So, where's the foyer? That's here, right? Oh wait, did it turn off the power?
Living room, right?
Yeah, I turned off the power. Yeah, I like.
That was a ghost event.
Okay. I held my breath so I wouldn't say no, 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 no. I had to fucking hold my breath. The rocking chair. I hate the fucking rocking chair.
Are you here?
Do we know its name?
Robert Jones.
Where
Does it-
are you?
Is that the foyer? I just don't know. Of course a 47-year-old ghost would say foyer. There's something else I came in here for. I don't know. Damn.
Ghost orbs.
You say ghost orbs?
Yes.
Can you say something?
It's
Where are you?
freezing temps.
Freezing temps ghost orbs.
I'm guessing it's a revenant. We've had a lot of revenants tonight. Their name is Robert Jones, and they like to talk to everybody.
We should be careful because orbs is also something that the mimic does without it being one of the three, and the mimic has freezing breath. So we should just make sure that we don't.
Please talk on the
Discount
radio
that.
a little bit.
I was about to be like, we never found the cursed item. Yes, we did. I know. What did they call it? A fire?
A firelight?
Yeah, that's weird.
Can you close the door?
She
Okay, or
said
turn
no,
off
but
the
I
light.
could turn
That's
off the
what I
fucking
meant.
lights, you whore.
I'm not seeing any fingies.
Blow out the candle. Give us a sign.
Can you write in the book?
We should turn the light up. Give us a sign.
I hate
Where
ghost
are you?
dots. Or the dots.
Can
I've
you
never
say
seen
something?
dots on the new dots projector.
I've never got it to work in an actual game.
How old are you? Are you a male? Are you female?
I love that I was walking around with an EMF reader turned off. Love that.
It
So much
likes
for
to
me.
talk to me. Can you blow out the candle?
Let's see, what else can we do? Let's see, we'll bring some of this. I brought some
Blow
salt.
out the candle. Blow out the candle.
Are there fingies on the telephone?
No?
Why didn't you answer it?
I don't talk to ghosts.
I'm gonna move the book.
What's his name again? Gregory?
Robert Jones.
Robert. Why are you being so
Gregory.
bitch? Why are you being so homophobic right now?
I'm gonna look for the bone.
Can you blow out this candle, Robert?
I don't think we found the bone, right? I found the bone.
He says in the phone.
It's a pelvis.
Girl, stop.
No, take a picture.
I couldn't figure out where it was.
Yeah.
This.
Can somebody take a picture of the salt? He stepped in it.
Oh. Whoops. Okay, why didn't they walk in the other one?
Oh, you
Um,
blew out the candle.
No, I think the candle expired.
Yeah, it just expired. I'm lighting another.
Yeah, it didn't count for the challenge. Can someone grab the other candle?
I got one. It's on. I just put it
Oh,
on the
cool.
couch.
Awesome.
Because it's always cold right here. Everything goes to the couch. We're moving to the couch.
The ghost said they wanted to be comfy.
Oh, can I not put it on the rocking chair?
Okay, what is their name?
Robert,
Robert.
Jones.
Well,
For the love of
after
God!
Benji said Gregory, I couldn't stop thinking about Greg.
Great.
Robert, are you there? How old are you, Robert?
It's me.
Are you angry? Are you friendly? Where are you? Where are you? How old are you? I'm looping it.
Running for her fucking life.
I fucking looped the shit out of it. I looped the shit. I looped the shit out of it.
I looped the ghost around the couch. I looped the ghost around the couch.
I just watched Whitling running around the table.
Yeah. Were you watching through the window?
Yeah.
I can't believe I survived. I couldn't turn my flashlight on. I was so scared and I was lost.
You do anything helpful,
It literally did not.
Robert? Oh my god.
Is there any? Oh, does anyone have the incense to get that done?
Yes, I have incense. Does anybody have matches?
Ooh, it blew
Ooh,
out.
wait, they did blow out the candle.
Oh my god, that took
Yay.
so long.
Who has matches?
I got a picture.
I'm gonna move this cross over here with the other burning.
Robert's kind of a dick. Let's see. Oh, it's me. I'm the drama. Quicks, you're the next one who needs a sanity potion. But that's the last one, ladies.
It also burned through both of our crucifixes.
Are you shit? Okay, well, we needed to hunt so we can do this sage. And we don't know. It's not ghostwriting EMF. Oh my god, what is it?
Okay, so we need to figure out if it's ghostwriting, ultraviolet, dots, or spirit box. Those are the
I can't believe it's not giving us anything.
I don't know, he's not talking in the spirit box.
Yeah, even I tried that. Not to say I'm amazing at Spirit Box.
It was like -10.
Oh,
Wait, it's
so-
negative?
oh. Yeah,
Oh,
it
wait.
is near freezing temperature.
Wait, I already have that, yeah.
Yeah. So it's either ghostwriting or dots, spirit box, or ultraviolet. I need to figure out those four.
It was fucking none of them.
How about you talking to spirit box because it's not responding to
man.
me or which one?
Okay.
Oh god!
Oh,
What was that?
bitch.
Where's the spirit box?
Oh god,
Oh my
stop
God,
it!
Calm down.
There's one over here.
Hi, Robert. Where are you? Are you here? What do you want?
Oh, it has to be chasing
Are
someone.
you old? Okay, it's giving me a red dot before I finish my questions.
It's like, would you just shut up?
Are you young?
What
Are
if
you
they said
mad?
yes and you were like, I thought you were 47.
Robert, you told us you were 47. So... Are you hungry?
That's a good question. Do you think it doesn't like the
I don't think they care about
flashlights?
that.
Wait,
Are you angry?
Oh, here, I can get rid of mine.
Are you here? Where are you, Robert? What do you want? Oh my god. I don't think it's spirit box, y'all.
yeah, I don't think it is. But watch, it will be. Is there a place to hide in here? Okay, I'll hide there. Is it hunting?
Hey, watch out.
Did this count?
I did mine.
It did! Yay!
Okay.
Let's get out of here. Oh wait, well we don't know what the last evidence is. God damn it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Who is it?
Running around with no flashlight. That goes.
It's terrifying. Sophia, I let a Leon live and he gave me his medkit. Aww. It's true love. I am so sad you weren't here to witness me loop the killer. He blew out the light bulb. Cece, did you see me?
Can't be writing.
Wait, what?
He threw the.
He threw the book?
book. Yeah.
Then yeah, that's cross off the writing. So it's not a
So
revenant.
either Ultraviolet, dots, or.
Maybe we just have to walk around in the dark with dots projectors. I'll go grab another one.
Oh god. But yeah, Cece, I looped the killer around the dinner table and I lived. You could hear but didn't see. That's okay. I'm sure there'll be more loops to come. I just couldn't believe I lived. I like couldn't figure out how to turn on my anything, my flashlight. Hunting. Yeah! It spawned right on top of me. No. They're gonna be like, wow, Witchling died right in the middle of the floor. Because it's true. Where are y'all going? Oh, it's after y'all! Run for your lives! He is coming for you!
You alive?
How did you live through that?
We didn't close the door.
I didn't want to close it on you.
That's fair. I couldn't turn around to close it. I'll just take a minute outside. Let's regroup. Let's think about our surroundings. You're a Hantu or Onryo. What do we know? What do we know? What do we know? You're right. Known to have a stronger effect on sanity. Smudging will reduce its.
I'm guessing it's not a Uri. Cece, I was thinking the same thing. It's because the ghost decided not to kill them.
I don't think it's an Onryo.
It must be Hantu. Whoa.
Is ultraviolet. I haven't seen anything. Any fingies anywhere.
I know, but the dots seem working so hard, so it feels like it's these goddamn dots.
Yeah, I've never gotten a natural dots
What if I
response.
carry around the dots and you wander with the ultraviolet?
Ooh, they got another footprint. Somebody take a picture.
Oh, like he was burpy. His GERD was acting up and he made us pay for it. That was not my favorite.
They really tried to follow you without that being a hunt.
Oh, fingerprints. Okay, ultraviolet.
They booked it. It's fingerprints.
It's fucking fingerprints, witchling.
I got it.
What was my sanity? 1%. 0. Oh. Okay. We did all the objectives. We
Throw the
got
clipboard straight in the air. I want to see what it looks like from this perspective. It's pretty fucking good, dude. It's pretty fucking good.
No clipboards for you.
We got everything. Okay.
have how to.
On to.
Oh my god, I'm hungry.
I'm hanging on to. I'm gonna close the door.
We did it. Everyone just forget that I died. Oh well. This game is so fun. I love it.
Welcome back. Like prepared some jobs for you.
It spawned right on top of me. It's not fair.
Your fucking death rattle was not okay.
What did I say?
It was like a blood curse. Yeah, it was exactly like that. It was like deep-throated and guttural. Like that's going to be what the sound you make when you die, Witchling.
Oh, that is so good.
It was so. It sent a chill down my spine as I was running away.
I was trying to open the kitchen door, and it didn't work.
You did not succeed.
Oh, that's so funny.
Okay, well now that I'm good and lightheaded before I go to bed, perfect.
Love that for you.
Everyone loves when you have shortness of breath and your heart rate's 150 before you go to sleep.
You just slip right into sleep that way.
I am ready for Slumber Town.
Well, thank you so much for joining. It's such a nice surprise.
No, I had fun.
It was so much fun.
Benji
Phasma
caught
was
me eating
great.
cheese and watching YouTube. I was like, what? This is probably better than eating cheese and watching YouTube. Okay, have a good night, you guys.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Damn. Whew. Y'all, that was so much fun. So good. Amazing. Benji, thank you for joining me. This was so awesome. Love y'all. Quicks, thank you so effing much for joining. This was so much fun. You're amazing, and I'm so glad that we get to be friends. Thank you to you and Benji for bringing me into the fold. The queer fold. Benji, thank you for having me, of course.
Gay.
Abso-fucking-lutely. I am so glad that you kind of like told me that you are interested in playing, because I have anxiety, and so I typically tell myself that no, that person doesn't want to play with you. Are you kidding me? And so, blah. Bye. There it is. There's the boy. My goodness, that took forever. Benji, OMG, I will always want to play with Chew. Aww. Well, now I know, and now I won't be so scared to ask. You're so tired. Well, thank you all for a lovely, wonderful stream on a day that was gearing up to be not the best day, and it turned into like a really fun, awesome night. Thank you so much for hanging out. Cece, thank you for hanging out and vibing with us. Lalosin, thank you for the follow, friend, and thank you for hanging out with some Phasmo fun. Benji and Quicks, thank you again for hanging out and for these games and for gaming with me. P-Dids, Raheen, Cece, have a lovely night. Have a good Thursday. We're so close to the weekend. Sophia, thank you for hanging out. I hope you have good games in DBD if you keep playing. But yeah, I stream on Saturday. That's my next stream, but you never know. I could stream Thursday or Friday. But my next scheduled stream is Saturday, so I will see you then. Bye, ladies.
Ladies.